Hi, my name is Rich. I have a 2013 Ford Taurus. I love my Ford Taurus. It's about time. I have 60-something thousand miles. About time for a cabin filter. How much did you say it cost for the cabin filter and install?
I think it was $31.99 for the filter. $31 and $20 for the labor.
And complaint. How much did you say it was going to be for the cabin filter to be installed, or how much is the filter?
It runs about $54.95 to have that one done.
Is that including the filter?
Yes, that's with the filter and labor for the replacement.
I bought two filters. One for the cabin filter. I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but it was six. Where is it? I can't find it. Cabin filter. There it is. $6.99. And then I bought a regular old filter for it, which was for the air filter, $11.99. So let's see if we can just replace at our own cost of labor the cabin filter. Thanks so much for watching. Well, I just got a STP cabin air filter, and let's see about putting it in. Okay, so normally we just open this up. This is the first time I've ever done this. We open this up. Now let's look in here. Can you see that thing right there? And you might be able to take like a little screwdriver, a little flathead screwdriver, and you have to grab that thing and hold the box and sort of pull it up, and then it goes through. And then to get the glove box down, we have pushed up, push in on both sides, and then it just drops on down. Okay, we've got the the glove department down here, just hanging down, just hanging out. It's got hinges there, so it's not going to hurt anything. Then we're going to look up here. See right there in the back? That's where the filter is. That little rectangle thing is. Okay, on this tab here, sometimes it's hard to pull out, so if you can push down on this with your thumb. I'm sorry you cannot see it for the light. You push down, and then you just pull out. That's one. And then you go over here. I'm going to push down and pull that other one out. There we go. What you do is you push down and you pull this tab out. And there's the filter. And you might want to get a screwdriver. You might want to get a screwdriver and just sort of push it in here and then just yank it on out. Yeah, that looks dirty. I don't know if you can tell which one was out or not. This is a new one. This car only has 60,000 miles, but needless to say, I'm going to put this one in.